Welcome to Talewind. Let's have a look at your profile. The top section includes all your basic profile information, including links to all your social channels. The destination feed is automatically created to group your places by location. And the post feed at the bottom shows synced posts from all your social channels. Today, this only shows Instagram, but more channels are coming soon, including YouTube, TikTok, and blogs. To edit your basic profile information, click Edit Profile. You can click your cover photo or profile pic to choose a different image from your computer and edit your name and bio here. To add new posts from your Instagram feed, simply click the Sync New Instagram Post button and it will add any new posts to your Talewind feed. To delete a post, click on the relevant post and then at the bottom, click Delete Post and then Confirm. Next, let's look at editing individual places. All the editing happens within the posts, so you need to click into a post first in order to start editing. If you want to edit a place but you can't remember which post it comes from, you can click on the place, then scroll down to the Mentioned In section, and from there you can access the right post to edit. Once you're in the right post, click Edit Post. Now to add a place, you can click Add Place and use the search bar on the map to find the place you want to add. You can search for a specific place and then add it to your post by clicking the Add to Post button on the card. If this place is being added for the first time, you'll notice that we also search for relevant products like experiences or hotel booking links that will be added to that place. If this place is already in our database, all those experiences and booking links will show up straight away. You can also perform a more general search, like restaurants, to return a wider set of search results. When you add a place to a post, it will also be added automatically to the relevant destination page. To delete a place, simply untick the box on the place card and then click Save. To edit individual places, click the place itself and then click Edit Place. Any changes you make will be applied across your whole profile. You can change the place name, place category, and description here. If Talewind tagged the wrong location for a place, you can also remap it to the correct location. Just click Search to remap this place and use the search bar to find the correct location. Then click Remap here on the place card. This will move all of your pictures and videos to the correct location as well and remove the incorrect pin from your profile. To make changes to photos and videos, click Edit in the Media section. Here you can drag and drop to reorder photos, delete content by clicking on the trash bin icon, or upload additional photos and videos from your device. Then click Save Changes. You can also add or delete a product. Within a place, scroll to the Experiences section and click Edit. To remove a product, click on the Your Experiences tab and simply uncheck the ones you don't want. This will remove the products from the associated place across your whole profile. To add a product, click the Search tab. It will auto-search for products associated with the place you're editing, but you can also search for anything you want using the search bar. Is there anything else you would like to include on your Talewind profile? Just let us know and we'll build it. Thanks.